China is intensifying efforts to expand its computing power infrastructure to drive innovation and bolster technological capabilities across industries. According to a report from the National Data Administration, the country's total computing power last year reached 230 quintillion floating point operations per second, or EFLOPS, ranking second worldwide. Some of that power is being generated at this supercomputing center in the eastern city of Jinan, where scientists used it to create a model of a section of the Yellow River for hydrological and environmental research purposes.
We need a system to assess how to balance between carbon emissions reduction and industrial upgrading. The newly developed Yellow River simulator will help us with targeted carbon emissions reduction, flood prevention, disaster reduction, and green development.
As local governments around the country step up efforts to make computing power accessible even to smaller enterprises, experts say more and more industries and businesses stand to benefit.
An inclusive and easy-to-use new diagram for computing power is taking shape. Local governments are pushing for more inclusive and accessible computing services through incentive policies and building public computing service platforms, thus further lowering the threshold for small and medium-sized enterprises to use computing power and diversifying the application scenarios for the technology.
According to an action plan published last year, China aims to achieve a total computing power of over 300 EFLOPS by 2025.